What's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. This time, we're going to go over RadarOnline.com, and it says Janet Jackson sued over alleged 200K debt to ex-business manager, singers, lawyers fire back. I will list the article writer and all the details in the description as I always do. And it says it is an update. It says Jackson's powerhouse lawyer Ronald Richards tells RadarOnline.com, we have been working with a distant former manager who referred a bill to collections that was resolved years ago due to some errors that were made with Mr. Jackson's account. If the case was assigned for collections and they are suing as the assignee, they will be in for a big surprise as the claim is past the statute of limitations and was resolved years ago before the firm was bought out. He added, we will vigorously defend the action and bring a cross complaint against the actual management firm. This will backfire on them if they actually file a complaint. Many times when parties, have weak claims, they assign them to collection to avoid legal fee expenses. This looks like one of those cases, as they were talking to me recently when they couldn't respond to my inquiries and questions. It looks like they gave up and sent it to collections. Richard said before adding, Janet Jackson pays all of her vendors and holds them to a high standard of care. She will not pay for managers that do not perform according to the contract or have changed her charged her for fees improperly. Janet Jackson has been slapped with legal papers after she allegedly failed to pay hundreds of thousands owed to her former business managers, Radar Online has learned. According to the court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, a company called Creditors Adjustment Bureau filed suit against Jackson and her various companies. The other defendants, including Black Dog Inc., Juggernaut Productions, Rhythm Nation, JDJ Entertainment, and Queendom Inc. The suit says that Jackson owes $238,593.88 to the business management firm Negro, Carlin, Segal, Feldstein, and Bolon. The website for the firm reads, we work alongside the world's top artists, athletes, and high achievers across our core competencies: business management, royalties, tax, and audit. The debt was assigned to the Creditors Adjustment Bureau, which works as a debt collector. Collectors Adjustment Bureau said that the balance was due to be paid on February the 24th, 2021. The lawsuit demands Jackson be ordered to pay the entire $238K balance plus 10% interest. The lawsuit comes weeks after Jackson announced her first tour since 2019 that will kick off next spring. The 2023 tour of North America will begin in April and wrap up in June. Janet Jackson was scheduled to perform in 2020, but the tour was canceled due to the pandemic. Back in 2022, after releasing her Lifetime documentary, Janet the singer caused a stir after asking fans to forgive Justin Timberlake for the Super Bowl fiasco 18 years after it went down. Honestly, the whole thing was blown way out of proportion, Jackson said, and of course, it was an accident that should have never happened. But everyone is looking for someone to blame, and that's got to stop. Jackson told the fans that she was close with Timberlake and that they will always be good friends. We spoke just a few days ago. She said at the time, he and I moved on, and it's time for everyone else to do the same. Fans were not having it, with one responding, Janet really told us to leave Justin Timberlake alone and that she's in a better place, and all of Black Twitter respectfully said no. And that is the end of the article as it stands. Miss Jackson, uh, apparently there's a bill that apparently they're allegedly claiming that she owes. I've never heard of Janet actually being sued for not paying the bill. Okay, um, just the amount, like when she goes on tour, it's like full press on tour. Everything is good. Everything is a go. Everything is already paid for before they get there. You know what I'm saying? It's always full press. Um, I've never known her not to be delinquent on any bill, uh, to my knowledge. I haven't. So this is a shock and a surprise to me how this will turn out. I'm pretty sure that, it will definitely come out with the outcome, and I look forward to hearing about it, and I definitely will update you as details become available in this situation. But her not paying I'm like, I don't know. Allegedly, that's what they saying. But you let me know how you feel down in the comments. Please join me in the comment section where we chop it up and, just give our basic opinions on how we feel about certain topics that I post on this channel. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all the love and the support for my videos. It's truly amazing. So thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will get with you in the next video.